Well, howdy there, my little blobfishes. Park Ranger Pam here. If there are two things I love more than following rules and helping little turtles cross the road, it's catching fish and wrangling kids. So settle in, because I've cooked up a crispy little guide that'll have their bobbers plopping in no time. Two types of fishing rule the waters here in beautiful Beavers Bend. Regular fishing's probably what you did when you were a little squirt. You know, rod and reel, big bucket of minnows you definitely didn't play in. Fly fishing? Now that's a little more wet and wild. Once you wader up, you'll cast lures that are cute as a bug, because they're flies. For rod and reel fishing, head down to Broken Bow Lake. This sucker's got 22 square miles of crappie, walleye, and catfish. Wow. Though, I do hear that most men are bass men. Pammy devil. A good old-fashioned cast is also a go if your cabin has a pond like this one. This one. Now this curvy little do is the Lower Mountain Fork River, home to the best trout fly fishing in all of Oklahoma. And if I do say so myself, the world. Oh,
is that my cue?
What a completely unexpected guest. It's our good pal, Teddy Owens.
Yeah, well, Pam, I was, randomly going down to the old fishing hole, so I thought I'd randomly pop in and say hello.
Well, what a coinky-dink. I was just talking about fishing with our moms and dads out there. You want to tell them a little bit about your costume? Love the overalls.
Well, Pam, this is gear, okay? These are my waders. They keep me waterproof, just like a dolphin or shower curtain liner.
Nifty.
Something like that. And of course, can't leave the cabin without my rods. This right here is my fly rod for the river, and out in the truck I got the rod and reel for the lake. Can never be too prepared, Pam.
Is that a tackle box I spy?
Yeah, it sure is. So, inside you have your mayfly nips, your caddis galores, parachute Adams, and tiny emergers. All the hits in here. Now, if you're wanting to go fishing at the lake, I like to use some live bait or some slip jig, or even a square bill bait.
Well, I for one have no earthly idea what you just said, and that's why I always book a fishing guide. We've got oodles of fishing guides, and they will get you set up with the gear that you need and take you to all the secret spots. All you have to bring is your parent patience. All right, well, thanks for stopping by, Teddy Bear.
Pam, what do we say about the nicknames?
Toodaloo, Teddy.
Oh, well, bye. Excuse me. Get through here real quick. Fishing hole's this way.
What a guy.
Hey, tackle box. Thanks.
All right, now for my favorite part, the rules. And I have a very special guest with us today.
Howdy, Pam. Let's lay down the law.
Hello, coming in real hot there, big boss. Now tell me, what are your must-knows for fishing in McCurtain County?
Well, as a fish myself, this is my favorite question. First things first, kids 16 and up have to have a fishing license while on the river or the lake. Our friends over at the Oklahoma Department of Wildlife Conservation can hook you right up. Licenses aren't required for private property ponds, but it's always a good idea to have one in your pocket before you sink your line. If you're fishing on the Lower Mountain Fork, bait is not allowed. Only scrumdiddlyumptious flies. And then lastly, we gotta talk about barb.
Not Barb.
Yep, barb hooks are also not allowed on the Lower Mountain Fork, so keep this a barbless zone.
Well, I think that about sums it up, big boss. Thanks for stopping by.
You too, Pam.
And thank you for dropping in. We hope to see you down here in McCurtain County real soon. All right, bye-bye.